Mabuhay! Thank you for calling Las Campion Hotel. This is Mariela speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a reservation for the third week of September. Do you have any vacancies?
Certainly, ma'am. Let me check and see what rooms are available. May I have your full name, please?
This is Hazel Joy Ginto.
Thank you for that information, Miss Hazel Draginto. Upon checking our system, we have several rooms available for you on the particular weekend. May I know what is the exact date of your arrival?
On the 24th,
How long will you be staying, ma'am?
just a couple of nights.
People is the reservation for?
There will be the two of us.
Do you need a room with one bed or two?
One queen size bed, please.
Would you care for a room with a balcony?
A balcony will suit my needs just fine.
I apologize, Miss Ginto, but it appears all our deluxe rooms with balconies are fully booked.
Still hoping for a balcony. Is there any chance one might become available?
There's a possibility of a cancellation, but we can't guarantee anything. Would you like to reserve?
Yes, that sounds like a good plan.
Noted, ma'am. Your room is 7,000 per night. May I know what name will the reservation be listed under?
Hazel Joy Ginto.
Your last name is Guinto. Did I get it correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 0965 6178
Great. Now, I'll need your credit card information.
Visa. The number is 965 6178
And what is the name of the card holder?
Hazel Joy Ginto.
Alright, Miss Ginto, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Miss Ginto. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Lake Champion Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Hazel Joy Ginto.
Could you please spell that for me, ma'am?
Sure. Guinto.
Yes, Miss Ginto. We reserved a double room for you with view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Unfortunately, ma'am, the room is not yet available. It's still under the housekeeping department. But we'll make sure to address this problem as soon as possible. But for now, you can stay at the lobby for the meantime.
Wait too long.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your room is available now. Can you please come with me? We already have your credit card information on file. If you'll just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Wow! $590 a night?
Ma'am, we are a 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. I am here on business and
A full continental buffet every morning, free airport shuttle service, and use of hotel safes are all included.
okay. So what room am I in?
Well, you will find a minibar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account.
So what's not included in the price?
Room 487. Here is your key. To get to your room, take the elevator on the right up to the 4th floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left-hand side. A bellboy will bring your bags up shortly.
Great, thanks.
If you have any question or request, please dial 0 from your room. Also, there is internet available in the lobby of 24 hours.
Okay, and what time is check-out?
At midday, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
My pleasure, ma'am. Have a wonderful stay at the Lake Champion Hotel.
Excuse me, ma'am. My name is Joseph de Cobra. May I have your key? Would you like me to take your bags? Please come with me. Here's your room, ma'am. Please enjoy your stay, ma'am. Here's your room. And here's your bag, ma'am. Enjoy, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, I would like to check out now. My name is Hazel Joy Ginto, room 487. Here's the key.
One moment. Please, ma'am. Here is your bill.
The 40 pounds for.
That's for the phone calls you made from your room.
Can I pay with my ATM?
Certainly, then I have your card, please. Your credit card is declined. We have M card.
I don't have.
Okay, ma'am. Your only option is paying in cash. Here are your receipt and your change, ma'am. Thank you.